Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be creating a DIY face and body mask. Thank you guys so much for participating in the Instagram poll and not just being a lurker. So with this mask, it's really easy to create. I really love using it whenever my skin feels dehydrated, whenever I have dry patches. This cold weather does not do any of us justice, and I think it's just so great to be able to go to your fridge and pull out really simple ingredients and use them for your DIY and self-care recipes. So I hope you guys made self-care one of your 2019 resolutions. I know I did. I think it's so important to really recharge your body, to show yourself just a lot of love so that you can start bringing in all these really positive 2019 vibes, all the universal things that you need are just going to be flowing in this year. So let's show ourselves some self-love and let's get started on this mask. So the first ingredient that you're going to need is an avocado. Aside from being super delicious, avocados are also really moisturizing and they nourish your skin. They're packed with vitamin E and your skin easily absorbs these nutrients, which help form new skin. Next is some honey. So honey is great with acne. It has anti-aging properties and it's a complexion booster. It's extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a really beautiful glow. And it's also clarifying. Once you have your ingredients nice and ready, you're going to want to scoop your avocado into your honey bowl and start mashing that up. So the consistency that you want is more so like guacamole. So I was lucky to get my honey from Cuba when I went on vacation there as a gift. But of course, if you are not planning to go anytime soon, I do suggest that you buy your honey locally and that it's organic. Do not buy the synthetic Little Bear honey. It's all fake, super sugary. It's all synthetic sugars and preservatives and really bad for your skin. So do not buy that one. As I mentioned before, honey is great with acne because it's antibacterial, so it helps prevent and treat acne. It's also great for anti-aging. It helps slow down the aging process because it's full of antioxidants. And it's clarifying because it opens up the pores, making them easy to unclog. So if you have troublesome skin, this is definitely a mask I recommend for you. And as you can see, it's so easy to make, two very simple yet powerful natural ingredients. And there's nothing better than knowing what you're putting on your skin. Our skin is the largest organism in our body or on our body. So you really want to make sure that we are paying attention to what we're putting on it because it does absorb everything. So I do recommend applying the mixture with your fingers, but if you do want a more soothing experience, a paintbrush works beautifully as well. And this is just such a great mask to use on your skin. It just leaves your skin super glowy and soft and supple. Honey actually helps draw in moisture from the air. So the avocado has a lot of moisture. So what it's gonna do is the honey is gonna draw in all that moisture from the avocado onto your skin. So with this mask, I do recommend leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. To store the mask in the fridge, all you need to do is add a couple of drops of lemon juice. This is going to help the avocado from browning, and you can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. I mean, the benefits of this mask are just so amazing that you're gonna want to use it that many times. Also, if you guys try this mask, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your beautiful face. To remove the mask, I'm just using a dampened cloth with cold water. So I really recommend that you guys start removing your facial masks with cold water because it helps tighten your pores and really locks in all the nutrients into your skin. And you do not need to wash this off with like facial cleanser or anything. You can tone after this, but because the ingredients are so natural, they don't leave your skin sticky, they don't leave it feeling like you have a buildup or anything. It just leaves your skin feeling super fresh and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what kind of DIY face situation you guys want to see. Thank you for all your love and support. I'll be seeing you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the glow up with your friends.